Welcome to another very informal how to program your HDS EDC flashlight video by Hogo. Today we're going to figure out how to change some of the settings on our EDC Tactical light. So, wait a minute. We don't want that. And we don't want rum, okay? Remember, if your firearm's loaded, you shouldn't be. So let's just get some coffee going here. Good, wonderful, black, thick coffee. Alright. So, here's your tactical. Now, as we know, full clockwise turn, you've got momentary high, and then it comes off. Back off from that, you have momentary strobe. Back off from that, you have click on, click off, and the rotary setting in the first half of the dial. Let's say what I want to do here is, as I rotate this up and I get that momentary strobe, okay, I want to change that to maybe high, and change the high, which is all the way over to the strobe. So first things first, we have to turn on our light. Now we can't do that in the last half of the rotation because it's momentary only. So let's click the light on. Now we've already enabled customization. We're going to go to that setting. So here we go. Now we've got the strobe. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, press and hold. Click to the next level. Oops, let's go in reverse. Click, click. That will get us to high without having to click through everything else. Press and hold, ramping up. Okay, so now, actually my light, I've got click on, like normal in the bottom half. If I keep rotating up, it just goes into high and stays there all the way to the end. I've eliminated the strobe. So the last half of the dial, it's bright. Okay, so, same thing. There we go, momentary on that half. I have no strobe anymore. Let's click it on. Let's go all the way to the end. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Okay, and we go through our light settings. Hey, there's strobe. Now I'm going to ramp that on. Set that. So now what I've just done, I've got my rotary function on the bottom. It'll go to high, and then it'll go to strobe on the end. So now I've just reversed the strobe in the high. Well, wait a minute. If we can do that, can't we do something with that rotary setting down here? Well, let's just see what happens. Put it on the rotary setting. 1, 2, 3, and press and hold. And, oh wait, it went right to strobe. Let's click it again. We have another strobe. Let's click it again. We've got SOS. Well, what the heck? Let's just put that SOS and ramp that up. Now, what do we have? We have... Wait, that rotary setting's gone. Oh, crap! Now, I basically only have 3 settings. It totally made that rotary setting disappear. Let's go back into that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Click through those. There's the lowest light level. We're going to go in reverse. 1, 2. Strobe. There we go. That strobe. There's high. The double blink. I'm going to go back again. Remember, between high and the fast strobe, you have the rotary setting. So we're going to put this back on that bottom half, back into the rotary setting like that. Okay. So while you can change that rotary setting to just one level, I have no idea why you would want to. But you can. Okay, so there we go. We've just reversed or switched our high and our strobe. And we've learned that we can in fact play with what setting we have on the first half of the rotation. Not sure why you'd want to. Maybe drink some more coffee. Think about that one a little bit. On the second half of the rotation, there is no way of making the second half of the rotation into a rotary function. Okay, when you go into your adjusting of the light levels and that, you cannot change the top half to a rotary function where it will ramp the light up and down like the bottom half. Okay. Alright, hope that helps. And once again, if you're loaded, your firearm shouldn't be. So let's drink coffee.